In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roll back a Netlify deployment. If you've recently pushed an update and something isn't working quite right, rolling back in Netlify is a quick way to restore a previous stable version of your site. The good news is that Netlify keeps a history of your deploys, so you can switch production back to an earlier version without needing to rebuild everything from scratch. To begin, log into your Netlify account and open the project you want to work on from the Sites page. This takes you to the main dashboard for that specific site, where you can manage builds, settings, and deployment history. Make sure you're opening the correct project, especially if you manage multiple websites in the same account. Once you're inside the project dashboard, go to the Deploys tab at the top. This section shows you a chronological list of all the builds and deploys associated with the site. It's essentially your deployment timeline, and it's the key place you'll use when you need to revert to an earlier version. From there, scroll through the deploy history and look for the previous stable deploy you want to restore. You may want to check the timestamps or deployment labels to identify the version that was working properly before the issue appeared. Taking a moment here helps avoid publishing the wrong version back to production. When you found the correct deploy, click on it to open its summary page. This page gives you more detail about that specific deployment and confirms that you're looking at the version you want to bring back. It's a good idea to quickly review it before moving forward, especially if several deploys were made close together. Finally, click the Publish Deploy button. As soon as you do that, Netlify will switch your live production traffic to this older version immediately. Importantly, this does not trigger a new build, which makes the rollback process fast and efficient. You're simply republishing a deploy that already exists in your history, and that's it. Your site is now rolled back to a previous deployment. This is a useful recovery option anytime a new release introduces bugs, styling issues, or unexpected behavior. If needed, you can continue investigating the newer broken deploys separately while keeping your live site stable for visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently roll back a Netlify deployment.